Okay. So I'm just very relaxed when it comes to talking to people, so I just let it flow, you know?
You can help out some questions.
Yeah. But if you want to just start off introducing yourself, how you perceive yourself in this world, and like just kind of your mission statement.
My son right, you know what? My thought on life is that, you know, we're here from creation, all of us, you know, through the love of the Creator. And because of the energy, create matter. So that's how we come to evolve to be like this on Earth. But when you check in families, your bloodline and all that, I'm not saying it don't matter, but it's more a spiritual thing now. You know, like maybe first time it used to matter where you come from or this or that. But for me right now, is accepting everyone as an energy, a spirit. So I don't put a label. So I don't label people from where they come from or what religion or anything. Just deal with them as, you know. But as for me, I just here for a time, just like all of us. We're on our journey. And growing up in Jamaica as a Chinese Jamaican was different, because I found that I was more privileged than most of my friends. But I didn't know prejudice until I came to the United States. We just used to, you know, share everything and, you know, play with each other and stuff like that. But, you know, the older you get into the world, and then everybody split up. But for me, I just keep the connection with the memories, that the experience that we share with each other. And even if your matter is not here, the energy is still here, you know. So that's why, as an Earth family, we're all Earth people. So the Earth family is people who really love themselves, care about themselves, and just want to free up, you know, free up. And if everybody could live free, they wouldn't want sadness. For me, you can't say who right, who wrong. It's just either you choose happiness or you choose sadness. So like I say, it's not good or bad. It's either you choose to happy.
Welcome back again, good people. This is Willie Doki Stories. If you're new here, don't forget subscribe, like, and share. Because here is where we talk about the real things that people are afraid to talk about. Things that are affecting people globally, culturally, and economically. So today we're going to talk about Japan is obsessed with Jamaica. They're even speaking patois, that's what we call. So from the streets of Tokyo to the beaches of Kingston, there's a culture connection most people don't talk about. Japan, one of the most disciplined, high-tech nations in the world, is absolutely obsessed with Jamaica, a small island known for reggae music, resistance, and rhythm. But why is Japan obsessed? This isn't just about music, folks. This is about rebellion, identity, and a global shift in cultural power. So, folks, without wasting much time, let's break it down in the following video. Stay intact, relax, and enjoy. Let's meet after the video so that we can talk about it. But for the timing, don't forget to comment. Keep the comment section healthy, and big up my guys.
Japan and Jamaica might be twin flames, because the way how Japanese people love Jamaican culture, the way how those Japanese people love Jamaican culture should be studied. I was on Japanese TikTok, but I felt like I was on Jamaican TikTok. They were doing all of the latest Jamaican dance moves, and even down to the way how they were talking. They were saying blood clot and wagwan. I mean, whatever happened to konnichiwa? Whatever happened to that? How did Blood Clot and Wagwan end up all the way in Japan? And then it was this one Japanese guy. He was speaking Japanese, but in a Jamaican accent. And the same guy in the video was saying that he loved Jamaican pum pum. And I was wondering, like, does he know what he's saying? I mean, I'm pretty sure he knows what pum pum means, but how did pum pum end up all the way in Japan? You know what, though? I love it. Blood clot konnichiwa. Big up on the blood clot konnichiwa self.
Ministry of Education, I have a bone to pick with you. Why are so many Jamaicans ignorant of their own history? Why so much dunce people in my comment section? Oh my God, people, stop it. The Jamaican accent is not an African dialect. The Jamaican accent, like everything associated with modern Jamaican heritage, is in fact the byproduct of the cultural melting pot that our motto embraces. In fact, in terms of cadence, it's most similar to an Irish accent.
I've been shook enough now, to be honest, since the racing is a bit tired now and the legs are like jelly, but yeah, I suppose we did a bit of celebrating and did the podium thing and got to put on the podium pants as well.
You see, as early as 1656, Oliver Cromwell ordered 2,000 Irish children to be taken to Jamaica and sold to English settlers. The extent of Irish immigration to Jamaica was so prolific in the centuries to follow that 25% of Jamaican citizens can claim Irish ancestry. And this includes Bob Marley and Marcus Garvey. So if you never know, now you know. Again, out of many, one people.
Uncle Roy, which part of Jamaica are you from? They want to know.
I'm from May Pen, Clarendon.
From Racecourse.
And then we go school Kisson.
Racecourse, and then there's Ali.
Yeah.
Ali, Racecourse, Milk River,
Darkin
Span, and then there's Banks, and then the Rocky Point is off.
Down the point.
Yeah, down the point.
Down there. We used to go and catch crab. Oh my lord.
What point?
Catch crab with your hand?
Yeah.
How?
When the cloud used to be like that.
In the middle of the pitch black night.
You have a kerosene lamp.
And cocos bag and stick. Take the stick and you put it in the back of the crab.
Okay.
Flattening down.
I tell you, one night we went on a truck, a big truck, you know, and we catch that night 8 of them blue seal bag, you know, them blue seal crocus bag.
Young.
8 of them full up.
Wow.
Holy shit.
Yeah, man. They have a big coop bill outside in the backyard.
Yeah.
And then when we come and empty all the
Feed them bread.
Man is heading for the extinction. Boom!
I just have to exist in this family, and they just create content for me.
Let's set them off.
Now I talk about bulbs.
Incandescent bulb is the healthiest thing for you. LED gives out like some form of radiation.
Mom, what do we have?
You should not go closer than 3 feet to LED
Well,
bulb.
a couple years now, the talk was LED, so then saving money and all that, so we changed everything to be LED lights in the house.
Mommy has us frying up here. Frying. Uncle Roy, talk to my mother, please.
Wait, hold on a minute. He changed all his lights to LED. Then he must have read about it and then changed it back.
They're expensive now because you can't get them and they use a lot more electricity. You can't touch the way it's hot, you know.
We'll have persimmons next year. Because he's using it to warm his persimmon tree.
Is that a plant?
Yeah,
Yeah.
he's growing a
It's
tree.
a fruit.
Usually
It's
in
a
the winter
yellow.
time it would die, right, because of the winter, right? But he's going to make it live
By
putting
using
a
it
bulb in there.
to heat it.
I think the Chinese call lemje.
What they call it?
I don't know.
Lemje.
Lemje? No, I call it
That was
persimmon.
mommy's favorite.
Can we get some real Chinese here to verify? Because I don't know what kind of Chinese users
Yeah,
are.
that don't sound like I recognize it. Lem J?
Yeah, lemje.
No, that's not the word. But it don't ring a bell the way you said Lem J.
Okay, let me find out.
Okay, find out.
Uncle Roy's got to go verify.
Tell me something. You know persimmon, right? No, I'm just telling Andrew his name, lemje. She said she don't know.
Angie, remember, we don't know how Angie pronounces things, so don't take Angie's weird.
You know how it is? You know how it is? Listen carefully.
Rock the house, your works. Well,
you know how it is all the thing?
Your words. I'm gonna put on a ninja suit and kick some boys off the ship. I'm gonna put on a ninja boot.
Go on, Japanese. You see this? I know normal ninja this. Ninja Rasta. This is Ninja Rasta. You're silent and killing this homeboy tonight. Let me show you this.
Oh God. Yo, Jaworks. Yo, Jaworks.
You know who they are?
Japanese are live like Rasta.
They're afraid of this, you know, me I go kick all the things.
Trying to go around the thing, trying to go around the thing. You
Listen!
Jaworks friend, I never got to head back in the rain of the world, youth. Don't care if your mama now going under nowhere.
They might go get this.
She out there, 2 minutes with no fear. Hey, karate kicking at your blood clot face.
Me respect the dynamic, you know, in my blazing, but dynamic flop tonight. Agree down. All the dynamic flop. Bombo clap. Any spraga big fun in there.
Oh God, one to them boy, yeah. Them things don't come here to do yoga. Yeah, them words that
spraga fun in there.
Jaworks on the cruise, kill sound we not like. Hypocrite and parasite, Jaworks we not like. Funny man and them the type Jaworks we not like. Jump and when them over hype, fast away and give you a fight. Kill dynamic sound tonight we not like. Watch it from a satellite, Jaworks we not like. Feel like a we prefer night, Jaworks we not like. When I lick some boy,
can I cut about what?
Oga, Jaworks, who's the rest from my girls? I sing it.
Me a bad Japanese, you know. Me no bad to order like this.
Bust them head. That one and them kill off them bumper cloud. I know my brother. Me say I got brother and murder. Kill them bumper cloud.
Dynamic always.
Yeah, folks, welcome back again to Willy Doki Stories, and I hope you have watched that video keenly. And it's very interesting videos. I watched it myself, and yeah, it's very interesting. So let's break it down, and let's be real. This ain't just culture; it's power. When a nation, which most of the people know it for tradition, order, and precisions, locks in with Jamaica, a land born of resistance and rhythm, that's not a coincidence to us. That's a global statement. Jamaica's voice didn't stay in the Caribbean alone. It echoed across the oceans, broke through languages, and lit a fire in the East. That's influential, that's legacy, and that's global black power. Unapologetic and undeniable. So, today I want to ask you one question, folks. Is Japan honoring the culture or searching for freedom through it? Is this music or Jamaica's waking up to something in the world? Folks, as I said earlier, feel free to comment. Drop your thoughts in the comment section. I'll absolutely see it. Speak freely, brothers and sisters, but remember to keep the comment section healthy because we're just here for educational purposes. This is Willy Doki Stories, where culture meets the truth and the truth meets power. Like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. Not just for content, brothers and sisters, but for clarity. We don't just talk, we break it down. Respect the culture that hears Jamaica's voice and doesn't just dance to it, but understands it. This isn't just a trend, folks. This is a testimony. Folks, until next time, peace, brothers and sisters.